If you want to customize the lock screen on Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro, then in that case we can go to settings. Next in settings we're gonna go ahead and find personalization. In my case it is over here, and we can tap on the lock screen in order to customize it. Before we actually customize our current lock screen, you need to know that we also have different presets, as you can see over here. So you can start with that. You can first use a different preset, and then we can of course customize from there. So as you can see, we have different styles where we can use different clock faces, different effects, additional texts, and so on and so forth. You can of course keep scrolling in order to try to find something interesting, but let's say I'm gonna go for this one. And in here, as you can see, we have different styles for the clock. At the bottom we have different additional options like the depth effect that we can apply. Over here, as you can see, we have the date, but unfortunately in this case we cannot change it really. We have different colors that we can use. We have wallpaper effects, and we can also change the wallpaper as well. So if you actually want to use a different wallpaper for the lock screen, then feel free to do so. You just have to choose whichever you want to use. There we go. And once you are done with all of your changes, and of course remember that you can also zoom in and zoom out in here too, in case you want to do that, and you can change the position of the wallpaper as well. So let's tap on apply in the upper right corner. Of course you can apply these changes to the lock screen only, or for both home screen and lock screen. So let's say I'm gonna actually apply only for the lock screen, and there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.